Hey guys, welcome back to the Edge Dive. And today we're going to be diving into Hugging Face's DeepSite. Now, you see my screen here. I have a replica of Reddit that I didn't build myself. I pretty much just vibe coded this out via DeepSite. And we're going to make it together. To walk you guys through the steps here, go to your browser, search up DeepSite. I'm already logged in, but I'll take you guys through the beginning. And it's going to be the one titled with Hugging Face, right? Click into this. It'll take you to a sign up page, whatever, right? Let's get into it. Create a new project. And hey, it's ready to work automatically. That was quick and painless. We can ask it anything, we can give it anything. And what I'm going to do is ask it to please create a web app copy of, or hell, we'll make it simple here. And what you want to do also is you can give it attachments and links. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it the link of the Reddit site that I want it to copy. You can also do it via this redesign button. However, since Reddit most likely has a lot of robot bot protection, I'm just going to avoid that. And you just let it go to work. You can even see the preview here as it's working, generating your HTML code. Now the use cases of this DeepSite tool are many. I'm assuming, or I can already picture your brains moving quickly at the numerous ideas you've had in the past, whether it be for your website, for personal blogging usage, or for your business's website, etc. Well, now you can go to your favorite blog site, to your favorite local business's website, right? Even a big business such as Reddit that's on the national exchange, you can simply just go and grab that URL, take a couple screenshots even, and upload it to DeepSite, and it's gonna redesign the entire thing for you and give it its best. This will cut down hours of work that designers used to labor over constantly in the past. And even if you don't like this output that it gives you here, you can always tweak it later, and I'll show you how to do exactly that. All right, guys, it's done. So let's take a look at the output. Use this little button here at the top next to the edit thing to push the screen into full view mode, and wow, it looks awesome. Yeah, I mean, do it on your own phone right now. Go search up Reddit and tell me how this compares and stacks up to it. Pretty much you know, it's a copy of it, but like the Reddit website looks a little different. You got your menu panel to the left hand here versus to the right side. And I am on the login, I'm authenticated, but this is awesome here, guys. And we can even go and ask it to, like, if I were to have created this by hand, it would have taken me about a week or two to just get the design concept right. And I don't even know, man. But we can even attach items now, since we're done with the first push, to tweak it even further, right? And let's do this. Let's be creative here. I'm gonna ask it to generate a second page via pretty much copying YouTube in terms of concept. So I'm gonna have to save it first because I can't control V into this. So let me save that screenshot into my file explorer. Save. We're good there. So awesome. Oh, sorry guys, gotta move around my computer. Awesome, looks great. Please add a second page for user for a gaming subreddit structured like YouTube's homepage, but specifically for the subreddit. Be creative. I'm gonna attach the image. First, upload it. Click on it, and send that off to get put to work. All right, I sped it up a bit for you guys just because, as you can see, they're still training their monkeys on this one, and it's taking a bit long. We'll be back once it finishes our second page. Alrighty, guys. Looks like we're back. Just a couple seconds after I last checked in with you, it successfully created the second page. Now to go into the gaming subreddit, oh, you're able to just click right on the navigation tab. Let's take a look. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, this looks great, guys. I pretty much asked it to create a subreddit page for gaming with the design of the YouTube little base tile wedges for the material. And wow, this is awesome. Join community. What does communities have? Nothing yet. And that's DeepSite by Hugging Face, guys. Go ahead and try it out. The link is in the descriptions. It's changing the world and the way we design things and how fast we design things. Join us next time on the next Edge Dive.